Hi, welcome back in this follow-up segment of this visually silk magic. So, as you may have seen in the secret, and I hope you have bought this course, and if you're not, just you can go still to the link below and make the payment, and you can learn the secrets. Okay, wonderful secret. So, the silk magics are actually visual magic, as I have said. So, how you make a silk appear is absolutely amazing. So, the silk has its own texture, so you have to be in alignment with the silk when you perform any silk magic. So this is kind of a follow-up. This is a kind of an instruction which I am giving, and silks look absolutely fabulous. Generally silk magic is not a close-up kind of a magic. So now from here we can move into a stage magic. Whatever the tricks you are learning, so you can take them to the stage. Now till matchbox illusions, matchbox magics in the previous sections, you still were like you could perform in the close-up, though that also can be performed in the stage. But here there is a more possibility that your audience size is going to increase at the moment. So you're entering into a kind of a platform or a magic show, and you can show them. So this silk appear is a kind of a visual magic. You should practice amazingly, and every move that has been taught, you should rehearse it well many a times, and you should keep them nicely packed in such a way that it moves smoothly whenever you wanted to perform this magic. And so this vanishing knot is a magic that you can just use it as a precursor to some of the other visual illustrations. Suppose in some advanced courses you will learn dove magic, dove production, you will vanish doves, or you will produce them. And these silks appear amazing, absolutely. And now there are various methods of vanishing silks, and but this is one of the methods which I like it very much. And even if you just moderately change the setup a little bit, you will able to disappear pretty large silks in this case. And continuous coin is one of the best magics which incorporates both the things. Which is incorporating both the coins as well as both silk, and it's a really super visual magic. Now this when performed in front of a group of audience, now this gives a very high level impact. So uh, this continuous coins need a lot of practice. Okay, you just practice very well, and practice, and you should again, like in the previous sections I was saying about the self-working card trick, that you have to remember certain steps. So here in the continuous coins also, you do need to remember certain steps, and keep practicing them, keep rehearsing them in your mind. So there are two kinds of practice. Once you do the practice in front of mirror, and also sometimes you do mental practice. Now the purpose of the magic is to entertain others. So in whatever you do, you should be absolutely, and you should have a kind of an acting of a magician. Okay, right? Because magicians have powers and sentences. So whenever you're doing something, the surprise act, the little bit things, you can always add up in these things. You build up your own personality, whatever suits you, and the personality very important. See yourself, practice yourself, see whether you're able to create the whatever. Hide the secret. Never reveal the secret whatever you're learning. Even if a closest friend of yours comes and say that please, I really wanted to learn, only give the secret to a person whom you think is the right student who can take this art of magic into a very high standard. So that's why we request you to first practice them well, perform in front of audience. Yeah, you can. Yeah, magic is a very good means of earning a lot of income. You can go and perform them in events, birthday parties, in school parties, in higher corporate shows, in large illusion shows. So I have performed with even Hollywood stars. Like I will show in I will tell you which magic I taught even Shah Rukh Khan in the next video. So in the next section basically. But my request is please enjoy, have fun with this, learn, master all the tricks which has been shown over here, and be a great magician. Thank you so much for watching this video.